Okay.
This is my little family.
I can't even see her.
I still need the tree behind you. Daddy's little angel.
Who's farting right now?
She is farting?
I can feel it.
Little farting angel. Look at that pretty girl. And there's Granny.
Oh no. Don't get a picture of me.
It's recording.
Hi. Dinner time.
And our Christmas tree.
Whoa, don't trip, jeez.
I wasn't tripping.